What's up, y'all? It's Riley, and I'm back with another banger. In today's video, we will be reviewing a Shein wig. Yes, this wig on my head is from my favorite online retailer, Shein. I did not know that they sold wigs until I saw somebody else order a wig on YouTube off of Shein. And I thought, wow, Shein makes wigs. And then they make a lot of wigs. They make wigs, they sell hair almost like AliExpress. A lot of them are synthetics, but the human hair wigs, they got them on there, including the one on my head. This is a T-part wig, but I must say it is looking pretty natural to me. So without further ado, we're going to head and jump in this video. But before we do, please remember to like this video, subscribe for good vibes, and hit that post notification bell so you never miss another banging wig review again. Let's get into the unboxing.
Straight up the box, the wig came in the standard packaging with a hairnet and a plastic bag. It also came with the dusty brown hair cap, no lashes or anything extra. This is a 14-inch T-part wig, and its lace dimensions are 13 by 6 by 1 inch. Right off the back, I noticed that the color of the highlight was a lot more orange than blonde. In the picture on the website, it's supposed to be blonde, so I was a little concerned about that, but I ended up liking it in the end. As you can see, this is the narrow T-part. It will need some plucking. It comes with the standard clips, 3 clips in the back, as well as the adjustable straps.
So right off the bat, the lace is very, very opaque, but hopefully some lace tint will combat that. I will do some plucking down the middle. I don't know, I just did not expect the wig highlight to be this color. I don't know if I like it. I mean, I will say the quality of the hair feels pretty good. It's a little thin. I think it said 150 density, but this is feeling like 120, 130. Running my fingers through it, I can run it through it very well, but I'm getting a little shedding. I don't know about this one, y'all, but I'm gonna see what I can do with it and then tell me what y'all think. See, now that is looking a lot more like my skin color.
After tinting the lace, I apply a thin layer of Got2b glue styling gel to my hairline and forehead, let it become tacky, and stick the lace over top of it. This is layer 1 of adhesive.
It's time to go in with this Got2b glue freeze spray and spray it along the hairline.
This is adhesive layer number 2. I think it's the most essential if you want to keep your wigs stable and sturdy on your head for days.
So y'all know what I like to do. I like to put slits in the lace.
After cutting the lace, I like to apply a 3rd layer of adhesive to really make sure that wig is bonded to my head. After 10 minutes, it's time to remove my scarf. The lace is fully dry, the wig is stuck to my head, and some of the hairs are also kind of clumped together. So I like to go in with a rat tooth comb and basically tease the hairline to lift up some of the hairs. Y'all, the lace is kind of melting with my skin. I'm a little surprised. going in with my beauty blender and the Eben lace tint, and I'm gently dabbing some of the lace tint over the hairline to really try to blend it in, make it look as natural as possible.
Combat some of these flyaways, I'm going to use the Got To Be Glued wax spray. It's not, the hold is not as firm as the freeze spray, and just spray down the middle and the top of the wig. So cute and simple wig. I would probably give it a 7 out of 10 because it sheds a lot. When I first got it, I was just running my fingers through it and it was shedding like crazy. Another reason, it's not that dense, but it's light on my head and it's not that dense, but I thought it would be a lot denser. So if you did want to cut this wig, it's going to be sparse. So I recommend you ordering it in the length that you want. I ordered this in 14 inches just in case I did want to chop that down. And then also, this color is not quite the color that was in the picture. The color in the picture was a lot more blonde, but I'm kind of happy in the end that I got this color because I don't know how blonde's gonna be looking on me. So yeah, this wig again is from Shein. I'll make sure to link it in the description box below. I will also make sure to link all the products that I use in the description box below so you can customize and install this wig just like I did. Yeah, don't y'all worry. I'm going to get it together and learn how to bleach my knots, and then we will really be popping on the channel. Just an update, my hair is in cornrows because it's winter where I live. It gets very dry in the winter, so I find it best to wear my hair in cornrows. That's why winter for me is the ultimate wig season, so you will see a lot more videos focused on wig reviews and installations in the next coming month. Though I will be trying different deep conditioner routines, and I just got a steamer, so I will be playing around with that. Thank you so much for watching. Please subscribe for good vibes, and I will see y'all in the next one.